Hello. Increasing milk supply with a pump depends on simple daily habits. Always try to empty your breasts completely. Even when milk slows down, continue pumping for 5 more minutes. This extra stimulation tells your body to keep producing. Switch between breasts during each session. Pump one side, then the other, then return to the first side. This increases overall stimulation. Drink water before and after pumping sessions and eat healthy snacks that include protein and complex carbohydrates. Add power pumping at least once daily. Create a peaceful environment while pumping and stay consistent. Over time, these habits will build a stronger milk supply.